Good morning, student. Myself S.P. Kyokar, math teacher from Nan Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today we are going to start a new chapter 4, Math Second, that is the geometric construction. In this geometric construction, firstly we see the basic construction to construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment length AB equal to 4.5 centimeter. In this construction, firstly draw the one of the line using the scale in this way. And take one of the point A. Now length of AB is 4.5 centimeter. Then take a distance between two terminals of the compass 4.5 centimeter. See, in this way we take a distance 4.5 centimeter. Then put one terminal on point A and draw the arc on this line. See, we get here point B. Now this AB is the line segment having length 4.5 centimeter. Then take a distance in two terminal of a compass which is more than half. This is the half. More than half. This distance we take approximately more than half and draw the one arc on the upper side of the line in this way, and second arc lower side of this line from point A. These two arcs are drawn from point A. Then put a same distance and put one terminal on point B and draw this upper side one chop and this lower side one chop. These two chops are intersect at point in a one point. Now draw the line from this two intersecting point of the arc in this way. Now we draw the perpendicular bisector of the segment AB which is contained by the line AB. Now second construction is perpendicular bisector of a given segment PQ. That PQ is 6.5 centimeter. Firstly draw the segment PQ using the scale, that is the 6.5 centimeter in this way, and take a half and more distance between these two terminals of the compass and draw the chop opposite sides of the PQ in this way. This is the more than half one of the chop. This is the again second chop. Then put this distance as it is and put a compass one terminal on Q and draw the again one chop. These two chops are intersect to the previous chop. So intersection of these two chops, draw the one of the line which is passing through this intersecting point of the chop. In this way we draw the line. This line is perpendicular to the segment PQ. Perpendicular bisector means length of from P to here M, and M to Q means PM equal to MQ. Bisect, perpendicular bisector of the given segment. In this way we draw the perpendicular bisector of the segment. Now the third construction is to construct the bisector of any given angle ABC equal to 115, which is obtuse angle. Then firstly draw the angle of 115. Firstly draw one of the ray, that is the ray BC. In this way draw the one of the ray, and then take a measure of angle. Firstly put the protector on this line, ray BC. This ray BC coincide with the zero line, and now count from this 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 100, 115. In this way we take a measure of angle 115, then put here one of the point, then draw the second side of that angle BA. In this way we draw the angle ABC, which is having measure 115. Now draw the bisector of a given angle. For that bisector, take a compass, put the one terminal of the compass on the vertex of the angle, take some distance between two terminals of the compass, and draw the one of the arc on one side of the angle, same arc on the second side of the angle. These two arcs are drawn from the point B. Then take again some distance between two terminals of the compass and draw the one of the arc from this side BC and put it the same distance in two terminal of the compass, and put the again the one of the terminal on this arc and draw the again one of the arc. These two arcs are intersect each other. That intersecting point, draw the ray which is started from B and passes through the intersecting point of the arc. In this way we draw the ray. This ray is the angle bisector of this angle ABC, means this angle divided into two equal parts. Then again we see the fourth example. In this example, angle PQR equal to 80 degree. Firstly draw the angle of 80 degree. For that draw one of the side of that angle QR by using the scale. Then put a protector on this line QR. The zero line matched with ray QR, and vertex of the angle is Q. So put here Q and count the reading 0, 10, 20, 30. In this way 80 degree. Put one point, then draw the second ray of the second side of the angle PQR in this way. Now we get an angle of 80 degree. Now we want to draw the perpendicular we draw the bisector of this angle. For that take a compass, put one terminal on the vertex of the angle, take some distance between two terminals of the compass, then draw the arc on one side of the angle. Also draw the arc on the second side of the angle. Then change the distance between two terminals of the compass and put it on the side QR and draw the one of the arc inside the angle. Then put it same distance and draw the second arc inside the angle PQR. In this way these two arcs are intersect each other, the point, intersecting point and vertex of the angle, draw the one of the ray which started from the point Q and passes through the intersecting point. In this way, we draw the angle bisector of the angle PQR. Now, in this way, we take 4 figures, 4 construction. Good day, goodbye, okay.